Powered by a solid-state battery, it shrugs off drops and keeps performing without compromise. When you need power, the detachable lanyard becomes a 100-watt USB-C cable. Plug in instantly, and with your solar charging under the sun, your power keeps going wherever you are. Meet Solly, a 20,000 mAh solar power bank with a built-in wall charger. Power multiple devices at once with dual extra-fast 140-watt USB-C ports and a 20-watt USB-A. All that power in a compact, pocket-sized design. The lanyard becomes your cable, a stylish and convenient way to carry power. Detach it anytime and use it as a powerful 100-watt USB-C cable. Clip it, wear it, and charge instantly anywhere. Plug into any 110 or 220-volt outlet and start charging instantly. Power your laptop with ultra-fast 140-watt USB-C while Solly recharges itself. Your charger, travel adapter, and power bank all in one.